Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can delete your Traffup account. So first you have to log in with your credential to your Traffup website, and after login you must have to click on accounts and then choose support tickets. When support ticket screen is available, then you must have to click on submit a new ticket. Click on it. So first enter the subject regarding to your account deletion, and after that you must have to give some description related to what problem you are facing. So you can request for deleting your account from the Traffup team and submit this ticket. When you submit this ticket, you will get a message from there. They will saying that they will get back to soon, and they will close this ticket as soon as possible and will delete your account within 24 hours. I hope you understand how easy it is to use and how easy it is to delete your account on Traffup. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe our channel.